We have Dr. Pepper. We have Dr. Pepper.
Hey, this is Stein and Frona here. We're at Pizza Inn. Yes, and we are going to have a burping contest here in a minute. But I want to show you my food real fast. Yeah, that was Stein.
Here's my food. Look at my food. It's so pretty and good. Ah, get your face. Don't touch my food. Don't touch. Stop it. Okay, I got cheesy bread. No. Do not pour my Dr. Pepper on there. Okay, this is, oh my god, it's Ragnarok's tomato. He just threw it back on my plate. Okay, look. It's, stop. Eat your tomato, Ragnarok.
Where'd you put it?
Okay, look, this is chocolate chip cookie dough pizza. Yes. This is awesome classic bread with, it's like French toast, I guess, ish. No. This is pizza breadsticks. Stop messing with my food. Go get your own, Stein. Go get your own food. Aw, you took my food.
No, I can't deal with Stein taking my food.
Yes, my nose itches. Okay, we're going to have a burping contest.
We are going to have a burping contest.
Okay, Stein, you're first. Drink your drink so you can burp. What were you doing, Stein? We didn't catch that on the camera.
What is that? What are you doing, Stein? Flipping you off.
No, you're not. He's not flipping me. He was flipping me off earlier. Well, she was flipping me off. I'm sorry, Stein. Okay, is that your entry burp?
Yeah.
Okay, now, videotape me. Don't touch the buttons or you'll...
That was interesting. Came out of nowhere. One drink.
I can't burp. I can't burp.
That was not even big enough to be considered a burp.
Okay.
This is it's your choice, YouTube. Who has the better burp? Stein or Crone? Hey, don't do it just because Stein's your favorite character or Crone is. Like it if you think Crone is the favorite, hate it if you think Stein is